airplane there.
Huh?
The airplane there.
That's coming from SeaTac, from that big airport there. The one we used to go to Italy or Argentina.
Okay.
Okay, this is the one, see?
There's Boeing Field. This airport has a lot of general aviation, but commercial, military. And Boeing has the delivery center of the 737 here.
You call my base 12 Echo.
That corner there is the factory of the 737.
That airplane landing there, the long runway, the gray one. That's a military one. Looks like
an AWAC radar. I believe it's a transformation of the KC-135 military.
Dragon Eye 007, turn right at Alpha 7, cross my 32 right, contact ground. Cessna 12 Echo, turn base, runway 32 left, the big runway, clear to land, wind 29011.
Turning right base for 32 left, clear to land, 1 to go.
Amazing view. I love this side camera.
So you have to repeat the whole thing, especially the instructions. You have to repeat to them.
I love it because they gave me 32 left, which is the long runway, to be able to get out of the runway very easily and park at the southwest side of the airport, where the Museum of Flight is.
We have a lot of wind, so I'm not gonna put 30 degrees. Now the excess of
They can see I-5 freeway. And in this building is where I start, in 2014 I started working at Boeing in this building here. I like that landing.
Cessna 12 Echo, turn left at Bravo 7, join the Bravo taxiway southbound.
Bravo 7, 12 Echo and taxi. Thank you, Boeing Field.
Cessna 12 Echo, ground 121.9er.
0.9 12.
And as we get out, we stop because there is a Cessna coming from my right, taxiing.
Boeing Tower, Cessna 5512 Echo Bravo 7, taxi to the museum.
Number 12 Echo, roger, behind the Cessna off your right hand side, taxi parking via Bravo.
Behind the Cessna, taxi via Bravo, thank you.
Point ground, citation 120 Charlie Bravo is at hangar 4 north, or we're 4 north, and we need to taxi over to Bravo for some high power engine run for about 10 minutes.
Oh, call sign one more time, please.